sleep with your big cups, by the way. That's random, but I'm pretty comfortable in this. I'm cooking lunch. Saucy with some rice. Where saucy has really gone up. Like, this saucy was going for 20 bob gamble, but now it's 30. Yeah. Oh, my nyanya. Parted the hair and it's ready to go. Yeah, this is the hair. There are 25 of them, so I have done 25 twist outs because I want to install them using the crochet method. And yeah, it's ready to go and I'm ready to start. So guys, I think I'll show you how I'm doing them and then I'll come back to you when everything is looking good. I just sat on it by mistake and this happened. It was just super glue, by the way. This is now the second time it's breaking. So yeah, but it's still in good quality. Like, look at that. Yeah. Maybe I can do some super glue again here. Maybe. This is the wig cap mark. So I'm going to moisturize a bit with some water. By the way, guys, I stayed with those like lines or cornrows, the way you want to call them, for like a month, and I think we got some new growth. I just love the method of protecting your hair with wigs. That's, I think, the best method because you are protecting it from, you know, environmental factors like smoke, heat, dust, everything. Like, that's the best method, by the way. I'm just going to moisturize my hair with some water and then add, I don't have coconut oil, so I don't know what I'm going to add, but I think water is going to be just fine. And then do the hair now. Always starting from the back. The easiest way for me is to start from the back. So water is the best moisturizer for your hair, guys. No one should lie to you that, oh, oils moisturize your hair or something like that. No. Water. Change of plans, guys. I'm not using the crochet method. I'm using another method because the crochet, okay, the hair is too thick to come through this hook, so this is the model I'm using. Taking this and this, and then I'm tying around. to look like this brown. I'm using some leftover hair and wrapping it around the end for it to look like this, but that's how we are doing this. I finished with my hair and I want to lay some edges. I'm going to be using these styling gel. I've never tried Bumpsy, but let's see if it's working for us or not. This hair looks like Cocoa Twist, but like jumbo Cocoa Twist. I really like it. It also looks like dreadlocks in a way, and yeah.